Lesson 5.2 is on direct variation. And what that is it's a linear equation where the variables have a direct relationship. So the equation is y equals kx, where k is not equal to 0. It's a number being multiplied by x, nothing is being added or subtracted. So one of the things we're going to be talking about is what's the constant of variation, and that's k. All right, that's the number that's being multiplied by x. Now, to identify direct variation, solve the equation for y. If an equation is in the form of y equals kx, then it has direct variation. Oops, sorry. All right. If something else is being added or subtracted to it, then it's not. It just has to be a number multiplied by x. That's it. Now, writing a direct variation equation, there's a couple of steps. You would first have to substitute the given values for x and y. That would leave you only with k, so solve for k. And then once you solve for k, substitute or plug that value of k into y equals k times x. So go back and get rid of whatever the numbers were for x and y, and it would just be y equals whatever number you solve for k times x. That would be the equation. Now, to graph a direct variation, again, a couple of steps. You first need to write the equation using the previous steps, what we just said. Then you need to make a table of values. Once that table is done, then plot the points. Now here's the important part. To be a direct variation, the graph must pass through the origin. Remember, the origin is 0, 0. So if you look at those graphs, every single one of those graphs passes through the origin. So every single one of those has direct variation. Y equals negative 3 times x, y equals x. Remember, 1 is being multiplied by x, and y equals 2x. All right? It could be a fraction as well, but just as long as it's a number multiplied by x. Nothing is being added, nothing is being subtracted. Then writing a direct variation equation from a table. Find the slope. All right? We've spent some time doing that with tables. Find the slope. If it's constant, all right, if it's constantly being added or subtracted by the same number, then replace it with k. K would be your slope. Replace it with k, and y equals k times x. If it's not constant, if a different number is there being added or subtracted, or if it's being multiplied, then it's not a direct variation. All right. This is a lot of stuff that we just talked about, and it can get confusing real fast. So I don't want to do any examples with you tonight. I want to save that for class. We'll spend some time on this. All right. Thanks, guys. See you then. Bye.